wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pool table covers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Safeguarding your investment becomes trickier when your table is on your deck or patio, but the East Eagle Outdoor does a fine job of helping you do just that. Instead of covering only the sides, this version goes all the way to the floor for extra security. Its water resistance is good, however the styling is nondescript, and it is somewhat expensive. At number 9, whether you're a biker or just a fan of the iconic company, the Harley-Davidson Vinyl makes a handsome addition to any rec room. And although it's not made to guard against extreme wetness or sharp claws, it will keep annoying dust and crumbs at bay. It makes an interesting statement piece and is decent value for the price, but the logo seems small. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Worried about finding a model with the right measurements? You don't have to with the Viper by GLD Products One Size Fits All. Featuring a universal design, it slips over both larger and smaller tables and is priced attractively to boot. It's simple to wipe clean, however it emits some chemical smell, and it is thinner and flimsier than many. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool table covers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, sometimes it's not just the surface you're worried about, but the sides, especially if you have children or dogs who are prone to bumping into things. In these cases, the Imperial billiard cover is a worthy choice, providing ample protection for the aprons. It's offered in attractive mahogany and no trouble to put on, but the stitching could be better. Moving up our list to number 6. If you enjoy shooting pool with a particularly smooth Tennessee whiskey in your hand, then you might appreciate the Jack Daniel's Vinyl. It's emblazoned with the world-famous old number 7 mark, placed on a plain black background that will look great in just about any room. This one's good for tables 8 feet and shorter and drapes with no problem. However, it stays too wrinkly. Halfway up our list at number 5. Get ready to show off your man cave with the Imperial officially licensed NFL Naugahyde. With a centrally placed screen-printed logo, it's eye-catching no matter which team you root for, as well as useful since it's fitted to provide adequate peace of mind. It makes a fun gift for football fans and is designed for 8-foot tables, but there are some occasional issues with the logo printing. At number 4, each Nest Sports waterproof is crafted from 4mm thick vinyl, which should be just enough to keep light spills away from the felt. Plus, it's not all that heavy, so you won't struggle to lift it and spread it out by yourself. It's available in neutral and bright colors and comes in at a budget-friendly price. However, it's not as strong as some. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Although the Pro Series TC Premier isn't an inexpensive choice, the thoughtful touches it offers make up for the price. These include reinforced corners that prevent frayed stitching, as well as a nylon backing that won't shed all over the place. There are 7 colors to select from, all thick and resilient, plus there are selections for large tables. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool table covers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for the price you'd be hard-pressed to find a leatherette option that's as durable as the Botion Fitted, which is even more of a bargain when you consider that it's got handy weighted corners. It comes in black or brown, so it should suit plenty of decorative schemes. This one feels hefty at over £5 and comes with a money-back guarantee. It's available in 3 lengths. And taking the top spot on our list, the robust materials used to make the Izzy Billiards Heavy Duty will certainly protect a table from accidents, but unlike many tough models, it won't put a huge dent in your pocketbook. And because the backing is cotton, you don't have to worry about inadvertent damage. It doesn't leave behind any fuzz, and the fit is excellent. It's a snap to clean too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool table covers, or simply click beneath this video.